Baba Ramdev has said that it's a complex matter and they will have to sit and reach a decision in a democratic fashion, and he cannot directly comment on whether the Prime Minister and the higher judiciary should come under the purview of the Lokpal bill.
बात सकारात्मक है। कुछ निर्णयों पर आंशिक रूप से सहमति भी बनी है, लेकिन जब तक सभी मुद्दों पर समयबद्ध चरणबद्ध तरीके से पूरी प्रामाणिकता के साथ हम किसी निर्णायक मुकाम तक नहीं पहुंचेंगे, तब तक सत्याग्रह स्थगित करने का तो प्रश्न ही नहीं। ये सत्याग्रह चलता रहेगा जब तक सरकार हमारे भ्रष्टाचार, काले धन और व्यवस्था परिवर्तन की सभी मांगों को मान नहीं लेती है। लेकिन बात निर्णायक मोड़ पर नहीं पहुंची है जब तक विदेशों में जमा अवैध संपत्ति को राष्ट्रीय संपत्ति घोषित नहीं कर दिया जाता और अवैध तरीके से बाहर धन जमा करने को राष्ट्रीय द्रोह का अपराध घोषित नहीं कर दिया जाता और उसको वापस लाने के लिए यूएन कन्वेंशन के 71 आर्टिकल्स के अकॉर्डिंग देश की कानून व्यवस्था को बनाने के लिए एक समयबद्ध चरणबद्ध नीति की घोषणा नहीं हो जाती।
And Navika is also with us on the phone line. Navika, what is the possibility that the Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev may actually respond to Cabinet's appeal, where they are trying very hard to convince him to not go ahead with the fast?
Well, we know the Cabinet Committee on Political Affairs met yesterday and took a decision that they will try and persuade Baba Ramdev from starting his fast on 4th of June. From what we understand, an emissary of the level of a minister could also be deputed to speak and convince Baba Ramdev. So far, we haven't heard any confirmation on whether Baba Ramdev will call off his strike. In fact, he said that there are negotiations that are on, but so long as these negotiations do not enter a decisive phase, he will not call off his fast on the 4th of June. And as of now, despite the fact the government has set up a separate committee to tackle the issue of black money, which is one of the major demands of Baba Ramdev, there continue to be some outstanding issues regarding black money that Baba Ramdev continues to insist upon. We'll have to wait and watch whether there are further overtures made by the government to Baba Ramdev today sometime.